Hey you guys, what is up? It is Carl Planken with Plankens Networking. You guys, I know I have been super horrible about uploading. I am way sorry. Work has been killing me lately and I've been working very long shifts and then I come home and I'm pretty much beat. But I've decided, so what I'm going to start doing is I'm going to start recording the videos ahead of time on the weekends. So my weekends I will be recording Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And then what I'm going to do is, so that I don't have to record the videos when I get home on those nights and I just can edit them. I'm just going to have them pre-recorded so that I can just edit them on the days that they have to be uploaded and then upload them. The upload times are still going to be Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. The reason that I'm keeping it this way instead of doing every single day again is because I will need the Friday, Saturday, and Sunday to record the videos because generally it takes a lot of time. I have to do a lot of retakes because I'm an idiot. Yeah. So anyways, you guys, expect some videos soon. I promise I will start uploading I can't talk right now, you guys. I'm sorry. I actually just got off work right now, so I'm kind of beat. But anyways, you guys, for today's video, what I'm going to be doing is showing you guys how to make a Windows 7 image. And I'm sorry for the super long intro, because that was probably about a minute long. So yeah, today we're going to be showing you guys how to make a Windows 7, 8, or 10 image onto a flash drive. That way, if you have a newer computer and you don't want to use a disk and you'd like to wipe your system, you can. So there are a few things you will need for this. One is a flash drive. I highly recommend something over 4 gigs. I would go with an 8 gig personally, just because a lot of computers nowadays are 64-bit, and the 64-bit image is like 3 gigabytes and like, yeah, it's pretty big, so generally the 4 gigabytes won't fit it after it's been uncompressed. So yeah, I highly recommend you get a 8 gigabyte flash drive, which I don't even think they make 4 gigabytes anymore, which would make a lot of sense because it's not really, I don't know anybody that could still use a 4 gigabyte drive. So maybe what I just said was pointless. Anyways, you guys, we're going to get into the video. First thing you're going to want to do is go to Pen Drive Linux. It's going to be the first link that pops up on Google. I will have a link in the description below and on my website. So then once you get here, you're going to have a few things you can choose from. There's the Yumi, which is a multi-boot USB creator. If you'd like to have more than one image on your flash drive, please note that you can't have 2 Windows images on the same flash drive. It won't work. But if you'd like to have, like a Windows image, a Linux image, and then a rescue disk or something like that on one flash drive, you could do that with the Yumi multi-boot installer. But what we're going for today is going to be the universal USB installer. So we're going to come and download this. I actually have it downloaded already, so I'm not going to download it from here because I have it stored on my server. So after you've downloaded that, you're going to want to go to it and open it. For me, it's going to be a little bit different than it's going to be for you guys because it's on my server, and you guys, it's probably on your desktop or in your downloads folder. So once we get here, we're going to go to click yes on the user account controls, and then we're going to click I agree. Now we're going to scroll down all the way to the bottom, and we're going to choose the image we're going to do. For me, I'm going to do Windows 7 because I'm actually going to be using this image for a MacBook I got to wipe and put Windows 7 on because for some reason the darn thing doesn't want to boot into the Windows 7 operating system it has on there. And we don't use the Mac OS that is on that MacBook because who does? Okay, maybe a lot of people do. So anyways, what you're going to do after that is go to your USB flash drive. This is going to be under your PC, and then just click on it and click open. Oh, actually no, this is for the image. My bad. I'm sorry, guys. I got distracted. So you're gonna need a Windows 7 image. If you do not have one and you have a disk, you're gonna need something to rip the disk. I would recommend Wink's DVD Ripper. I believe that's what it's called. They let you have they have a free version, but I think there's some limitations on it. But personally, I just buy the software. It's awesome software. It'll help you rip all your movies to your Plex server if you have one, or maybe you just want to rip your movies to back them up, something like that. It'll let you do that. It's very easy, super simple, nice and clean, and it actually really doesn't kill your performance like most applications do, surprisingly. So for me, I'm going to go to my image, which is also on my server, and I just downloaded one of the trial images from the Microsoft website. Something you guys can do, because as you can see, I have a few of those, but actually, I'm going to be using my Windows 7 CD, so I already have that ripped. So we're going to click that we want this to format, and the reason we want this to format is because right now there's a Windows 8 operating system on it, and I actually got, now that I remember, need to back something up. Anyways, you can ignore what I just did, but it has the Windows 8 image on it that I was using the other day to wipe a client's computer. Well, not really a client because I didn't charge them, but a friend's computer that I was upgrading to Windows 8 for them. So what you're going to do now is you're just going to click on create, but like I said, highly recommend you format it no matter what. Just make sure anything that's on there that you want to keep is taken off. So we're going to click yes here, and then we're going to let this run. So while this is running, I am actually going to go work on some other stuff because I got some server stuff I got to do in the server room. So I'm going to leave this recording though, and then I'll just speed this part up for you guys because it generally takes a long time. So we will be right back, you guys. Okay, guys, so it has finished installing onto the flash drive, and it is now done setting everything up that it needed to. Anyways, you guys, that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. If you guys have any issues with this, just make sure to drop a like, a comment below, and I will answer your questions as soon as possible. Thanks you guys for watching again, and I hope you guys have a great day. Peace out.